Hello camper people. I thought while it was pretty I'd give you a quick update on the camper. Hubby has been working really hard on it all weekend long and he cleaned it up. If you saw my previous videos you'll know that this thing was filthy. Filthy beyond filthy. So I'll just give you a little quick go around. There was so much moss and everything on this camper. You couldn't see the camper in some places. Cleaned up really good. Now we do still have some damage right here that's going to have to be fixed. These are the under storage. So we need to get that fixed. And there's a window right here that's losing a little bit of its rubber. But overall, for the cleanliness of the camper, you can see quite a change. We have another situation over here too. And what happened is the locks weren't working when we moved the camper, so they just wiggled a little bit more. But it's not a major thing. That can easily be fixed. And we can also buy the door, the little closures for it too. See, a little bit of rubber needs to be changed on that, but again, like I said, just looking at how clean the camper looks compared to what it did look like. Now the previous owners did promise that they were going to give us this the guard that goes on front over the window, so when you travel you'll protect your glass from rocks throwing up against it. We're not holding our breath till we get it, but it sure would be nice if she would send it. We got the front part of the awning that was missing some of the little catchers. And the door stoppers were missing. We got that fixed. Well, on one side. We got this side fixed. And this one. And this is the awning part that we got fixed right here. We had to get the parts, so we got those fixed. So, the other door, there's a little issue with that one. It's going to have to be worked on. Alright, let me show you inside what we've done. I'm going to attempt to give you a quick view of the roof. Golly, if hubby knew I was up here, he'd murder me. But I can't get to it real good to show you. This is about the best I can do, but the roof was not leaking. It was in good condition, but it's just been painted now. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, here's the stove, and it does work. We're going to paint the rust part. The oven works, everything works about it. So, it rusted right up in here. But campers have a tendency to sit when they're not in use, and we think that this one sat for years, so they will collect a lot of condensation inside if nobody's watching over them. So we think that's what happened here, and we think this camper's been sitting for years, and so this thing here just rusted away. But we're going to get it cleaned up, and I'll give you an update on that later. Here's the upper fans and vent in the process of getting done. And here's a couple of my cabinets. I think these are in the kitchen. They're probably ready to go up. It's a vent right there for the air, Now that's the vent for refrigerator. And then over here is a few drawers. So those will be going in shortly. Okay, I'm going to give you a slight update on the camper. These are the curtains I was just making, or a pair like them, so you can see how they turned out. Right up here, well, that light is going to be replaced. I have another one for it. Alright, this is the upper cabinets by where the couch is going to be right here. I have a what do you call them, futon? That's going to go there. Okay, the cabinets are still being worked on, the doors. Okay, here's the inside of the fridge since I cleaned out. I don't know if you saw it before. It was clean or not. Okay, so we have all the blinds and everything down. Over here, this is one, kind of dark, but that's one cabinet that's been done. And these are the overhead cabinets in the kitchen that are finished. Might look better if I shut the doors.